Hello, this is CWI Part A sample question, lecture number 3. I'm gonna go over number 6. From number 6, brazing differs from welding in that blah blah blah. A through D, the right answer could be no filameter is used. No, the brazing has a filameter and oxy-fuel flame is used. Brazing and welding both are using the oxy-fuel flame. And C, the base material is not melted. This could be the possible answer, the right answer, and all of the above. This is not the right answer. So my answer is C. Okay, let's go to WIT. This is WIT chapter 3, metal joining and cutting processes, and brazing and soldering processes. And here there are a lot of good writings, but here 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. The brazed filler material is available. Filler material is existing. And here to maintain the cleanness, this is one of the conditions of the brazing. And go down further. Okay, here one of the biggest advantages of brazing is that it can be used to join dissimilar metals. This is possible since brazing does not melt the base metal. Because of this, C is the right answer. And number 7, of the following types of documents which have general acceptance in the welding industry. A is contract, standards, and B specification, C drawings, and D all of the above. In my point of view, all of the above is the right answer, but the right answer for this question is A. I don't know why, and I don't know how to explain why only A is the right answer, but answer is A. Number 8, which non-destructive test method uses sound energy as a probing medium? The possible answer is C. Not the possible, the right answer is C, because UT is ultrasonic test, and ultrasonic is the sound that human being cannot hear. So anyway, the sound energy is UT. MT is magnetic energy, and RT is radiographic, and PT is just uses not the energy but capillary action. So the right answer is C. Okay, I'm gonna stop here today. See you guys next time.